You've probably seen massive ships, but did you ever wonder why their bottoms are always painted a bright crimson red? This brilliant red color is absolutely not a random design choice or a simple corporate logo for these giant ships. Below the waterline, a silent but highly destructive battle rages constantly against the unrelenting forces of the vast open ocean. The true danger is not just saltwater erosion. The real threat comes from an unstoppable, invisible force attacking the massive hull. Billions of microscopic marine organisms, barnacles, and simple algae aggressively attach themselves to the bottom of the ship during every voyage. This massive biological growth creates extreme hydrodynamic drag, dangerously slowing down the powerful vessel while wasting immensely expensive marine fuel. Decreased speed, higher fuel consumption, and regular costly maintenance destroy profitability, making efficient operation a monumental daily struggle for everyone. Whether it is a modern steel cargo ship or a historical sailing vessel, this engineering nightmare remains exactly the same. This biological invasion is not new. Mariners throughout centuries faced this precise challenge, desperately searching for solutions against the power of nature. In the 18th century, magnificent wooden sailing ships ruled the open sea, yet they were extremely vulnerable to marine life. Beyond mere drag, specialized marine worms could utterly destroy a wooden hull, threatening complete structural failure without any warning at all. Maintaining a powerful naval fleet meant constant and expensive maintenance to physically scrape clean the entire massive hull from marine life. Early attempts using heavy lead sheets or toxic arsenic paints absolutely failed, costing immense resources while providing completely ineffective results. Finally, brilliant British engineers made a groundbreaking discovery, realizing that applying thin copper sheets directly over wooden hulls works flawlessly. This revolutionary copper sheathing perfectly encased the massive hull, utilizing special bronze nails to securely fasten the valuable protective sheets. The scientific magic was not mystical engineering. It was incredibly effective because copper acts as a highly powerful marine biocide. No barnacles, mussels, or algae could ever attach, because the toxic reaction made copper completely invulnerable on the open sea. Reduced hydrodynamic drag meant significantly increased speed, monumental fuel savings, and drastically extended operational periods for these magnificent, massive warships. However, copper was immensely expensive. Sheathing a single warship with this metal required monumental investments that severely strained national finances. The challenge intensified rapidly. Even as copper succeeded, the maritime world desperately sought an affordable and highly practical solution for everywhere. The maritime landscape completely changed with the advent of iron-hulled ships, which offered much greater strength and monumental, unprecedented vessel size. Engineers quickly discovered that copper sheathing attached directly to iron caused catastrophic, rapid galvanic corrosion, potentially destroying the ship's entire hull. A new challenge emerged, finding a powerful coating that could repel marine growth without destroying the metallic structure beneath it completely. Early paint experiments used extremely toxic substances like arsenic, mercury, and even strychnine, creating dangerous environments and inconsistent results everywhere. Finally, scientists and chemical engineers developed effective anti-fouling paints, designed specifically to leach biocides slowly while protecting the ship's hull. These early effective paints primarily utilized copper oxide, a highly toxic chemical compound that was both incredibly cheap and very readily available. Copper oxide possessed a powerful, distinctive bright red color, which meant that early anti-fouling paints naturally became vibrant red by default. The bright red color also offered a huge practical benefit. providing high-contrast visibility against dry ocean water in dry docks. Ships gradually adopted the standard of being painted completely bright red below the waterline, establishing the classic maritime look we see today. As chemical science advanced rapidly during the 20th century, the precise composition and effectiveness of anti-fouling paints dramatically and significantly improved everywhere. However, some powerful ingredients like TBT, though incredibly effective against marine growth, caused severe and widespread ecological damage to maritime environments. TBT resulted in severe consequences, poisoning non-target marine life, disrupting delicate coastal ecosystems, and causing catastrophic environmental impact for many decades everywhere. Global environmental awareness rapidly intensified, leading directly to a complete international ban on toxic TBT-based anti-fouling coatings by the early 2000s. This urgent environmental need forced engineers and chemical scientists to innovate desperately, searching for powerful yet eco-friendly alternatives to protect modern hulls. Modern anti-fouling solutions successfully utilize advanced, highly sophisticated chemical technologies and unique compounds to control harmful biofouling and protect global shipping efficiency. Copper oxide still remains an extremely popular biocide ingredient today, but its release rate is meticulously controlled by smart, advanced polymer coatings. Modern advanced hull coatings must achieve the perfect balance, provide immensely high performance and complete marine protection while strictly minimizing environmental impact. Advanced self-polishing copolymers constantly erode slowly in the moving water, exposing fresh biocides and keeping the metallic hull incredibly smooth. Scientists continue to relentlessly research novel coating technologies, focusing on advanced silicone-based materials and unique textured surfaces to physically repel organisms. Anti-fouling technology constantly evolves rapidly, driven by the absolute necessity for powerful protection, environmental sustainability, and monumental operational efficiency worldwide. The economic impact is absolutely staggering. Maintaining a clean hull saves global shipping companies billions of dollars in fuel costs annually. When a massive hull is completely smooth and free of marine growth, the powerful ship glides effortlessly through the bright ocean. This flawless movement drastically reduces carbon emissions, making the classic red bottom an essential component in protecting our global atmosphere everywhere. Even though modern companies can theoretically manufacture anti-fouling paint in absolutely any color today, the vibrant crimson red remains deeply preferred. The traditional red serves as a visual contrast against the blue ocean, easily helping engineers inspect the massive hull during maintenance. It is a powerful nod to maritime history, honoring the incredible legacy of the original copper sheathing used centuries ago globally. Every time you see that vibrant red hull, you are witnessing an ongoing technological triumph over the relentless power of nature. The ocean never stops trying to claim everything that enters its waters, but human engineering constantly fights back with brilliant solutions. From the early wooden sailing vessels to modern gigantic steel cargo ships, this invisible underwater battle has shaped human maritime history. That simple coat of red paint represents centuries of intense scientific discovery, costly trial and error, and incredible chemical engineering today. Without this essential red barrier, global trade would violently slow down, and the entire worldwide economy would face unimaginable logistical disasters. It perfectly proves that sometimes the most important part of a massive engineering marvel is exactly the part you rarely see. The vibrant red bottom stands as a silent, powerful guardian, ensuring these massive modern ships can safely conquer the endless ocean. We will continue exploring these incredible oceanic mysteries, diving deep into maritime history and uncovering fascinating engineering secrets beneath the waves. If you enjoyed this journey beneath the surface, make sure to subscribe to the Sunken Inside channel for more incredible videos.